In this video, I'll explain how the product column settings work in WinkSell. Once you are logged in, look for the column settings in the menu items. This interface allows you to manage the names shown in the product list for specific or all branches. As you can see, there is a default name and a self-assigned name column. Some of the checkboxes marked in red indicate that they cannot be edited. The blue ones can be updated. If this seems complex, let's clear things up with an example. On top, I have selected the branch Alpha. I will update the default barcode field title to bar C, which is marked with red, and click over it. It won't uncheck. Now, if I uncheck the very next package barcode, click Save, and go to Verify in the products list, here you will see that the label Package Barcode is still appearing, and so in the Add New Product form. Now, let's change the branch from All to Alpha, and you will notice the barcode field title has changed and the package barcode has disappeared. If we open the Add New Product form, you can see the changes being reflected here as well. That's all about it. To learn about other interfaces, please watch our other videos.